Welcome to Modular Closets. In this video, we'll review the steps to install your closet. A stud finder, tape measure, level, and a drill will be needed to complete the installation process. There are many combinations of units that can be used. However, the installation process is always the same. Let's start with a few important tips. We recommend installing all units at 84 inches off the ground, but they can be installed at any desired height as long as there's enough space. Towers can be installed with or without using the optional leg extensions. Hanging units require an extra hand during installation, so you can either use a helper or a third-arm device. Begin the installation by locating the studs using a stud finder. Studs are typically 16 inches apart. Once you identified the studs, make a mark by each one, and make a mark on the cleat where it will meet the stud. It may be easier to pre-drill a pilot hole on the unit at each marking. Keep in mind that towers have 3 cleats, while hanging units have only 2 cleats. When drilling the unit into the stud, be sure the unit is leveled to avoid any installation complications. Each unit is installed separately and drilled directly into a stud. For added support, you can drill a 1 1/4 inch screw from one unit to the other. You can easily conceal this screw in the hanging brackets or in the rear of the unit. Repeat these steps for each unit. Your closet is now installed and ready for many years of good use. Unpack and enjoy your modular closet.